Alright, so I think I'm recording. I've been having difficulty with these videos and stuff and with the software, but hey, I guess that's my problem and not yours. Here they're asking us to find the difference quotient. They've given us a quadratic function, g, and they're saying find the difference quotient. So in the numerator, we have two terms. In the denominator, we just have a single term h. So to evaluate this function at x plus h, everywhere we see an x, we replace it with x plus h. So we've got 2 times the quantity x plus h squared plus x plus h minus 3. That's the first term. Now we subtract g of x. Well, they give us the equation for g of x, and to subtract it, we need to put it in parentheses because we're subtracting all of it, not just part of it, not just our favorite term or the first term. So now we need to simplify this. When we have x plus h squared, remember exponents don't distribute, that's x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus x plus h minus 3. Distribute the negative sign. And there's a nice check, if you remember, when we're simplifying this numerator, any term that does not have an h in it will end up canceling. So let's see if that's true. I just have to be careful that I'm not going so quickly that I can't read my answer, or that I do something like lose an exponent or anything like that. 2x squared doesn't have an h in it, so somewhere there it is going to be a minus 2x squared. Now this term has an h in it, and so does this term. This x, somewhere there's going to be a minus x, and there it is. This 3 doesn't have an h in it, that's a negative 3, and there's a positive 3, and that's always going to happen, so that when we're left in the numerator, all of our terms have an h in them. So we've got 4xh plus 2h squared plus h. And since it's a single fraction and we're dividing everything by h, I'm just going to break it up into 3 fractions where I'm dividing every term by h. So in other words, those are all common denominators, and we just add them back together. But now that allows me to not make a silly mistake like canceling terms. I can only cancel common factors. So I've got 4x plus 2h plus 1, and that's my final answer for this difference quotient, and I hope that it helps.